So I ordered online a top-selling brand of motorcycle side mirror. The price is 210 pesos only, or around $4. Original side mirrors cost around $10 or 600 pesos. But beware of cheap side mirrors because they may be graded, magnifying, unsafe, or deceiving. But I hope that this side mirror that I bought is not one of them. The design of this box looks attractive, unlike others. I will be replacing a cheap KRS brand which I used for more than 3 years. That side mirror got broken when it was hit, so I am being careful with this new one. This side mirror looks bulkier and sturdier than the old one. Now, these are my observations. The size of the thread is 10 millimeters and the nut is 14 millimeters. The mirror is clear, it is not graded, and it does not magnify the blue. The mirror has been enclosed by a thick and good quality plastic housing. To install, rotate the side mirror post clockwise, and to tighten, rotate the nut clockwise too. It is not ideal to set the side mirrors in landscape mode because they will protrude the handlebars. Please note that this is not a sponsored video. Here I have adjusted the side mirrors in portrait mode. At the start, I felt uncomfortable with the height of the side mirrors, but I have gotten used to it. With these side mirrors, I can see incoming vehicles better than my old side mirrors.